Good day, ma'am. Good day, everyone. I would like to presenting about the vitamins, and our groups is Princess Mai Badai, Febri Astutiningsi, Tiken Prastiwi, Rukmanur Kumalasari, Yuda Pratama, Clara Monica, Nurul Aulia Fatma, Alfiana Nur Aziza, Mila Putri Rahayu, Viola Damandasari, Richa Firial, Rasya Wulandari, Frihatno Lopardani Atmojo, and the last is Febri Hendra Purnama. Okay, we will discuss about the vitamins. The definition of the vitamins are the essential nutrient for the normal growth, developments, and the maintenance of the cell, tissues, and the organs. The vitamins are classified as ester water supplies or fat supplies. Vitamins are the humans. There are 30 vitamins for fat supplies. There are A, D, E, and K, and the nine water supplies are A, B vitamins and vitamin C. The 13 nutrients are typically obtained through the consumptions of foods or dietary supplements, which are subject to vitamin testing in order to meet specific labeling requirements. Vitamins name: vitamins A is retinol, vitamin A is beta carotene, vitamin B1 is thiamine, vitamins B2 is riboflavins, vitamins B3 is niacin or niacinamide, vitamin B5 is pantothenic acids, vitamin B6 is pyridoxines, and the vitamin B7 is biotin, vitamin B9 is folic acid, vitamin B12 is cobalamin, vitamin C is ascorbic acid, vitamin D is total D or total D, D2 and D3. And the last is vitamin A is tocopherols and tocotrienols. The vitamin testing is Eurofins or USA, and the and the next the next slide is methods of testing vitamin A.
Okay, so vitamin A is essential for human body, for example, for the proper functioning of eyesight and immunity. However, an excess of deficiency of vitamin A in the body can cause various diseases. Several methods have been described, and one of these is the spectrophotometric methods. So the spectrophotometric method is still effective as they are easy to handle, cost-effective, and sensitive. First is to quantify vitamin A by saponify the sample and then extract into nonpolar solvent. After the reaction of the enol of vitamin A with chromogenic region. Therefore, vitamin A is determined based on the absorbance of the resulting color sample. Next. The next is a lipid soluble vitamin E. Vitamin A is a lipid soluble hormone that regulates the transcription of a number of genes that are crucial for many important biological functions. Vitamin A, so liquid chromatography, best analytical technique for routine analysis of retinol and retinol ester or vitamin A. So to determine vitamin A, the liquid chromatography is the best analytical technique. However, due to different chemical properties, different retinoid metabolites cannot be accurately separated and quantified in a single chromatographic run. Therefore, a reverse-based HPLC isochromatic method is being used for the analysis. Research was held to commence liquid chromatology isochromatic methods, enabling extraction, separate identification, and quantification of transno and different molecular species of hydrogen with high accuracy, sensitivity, and reliability. This method studies the preparation of standard will look at ensure the absolute balance. To determine of the validation score, papers of this view cannot be different for its standard of chemistry injects the dilution in HPLC column, integrate the now being solved. Standard flow prepare the risk of standard solution, recognize extraction, and extraction, and lastly is high mass liquid analysis, combined reactionary conservation. Next, the next is a method of testing vitamin.
Okay, I will continue the presentation by methods of vitamin B. And the journal title is Pharmaceutical and Biomedical Analysis, Clean Determine of Egg Water Soluble B Vitamins in Cosmetic Products by Liquid Chromatography with Ultraviolet Detection. B vitamins are a group of compounds with beneficious property for dermatologic care, and therefore they are included in cosmetic formulation as high added value ingredients. Analytical methods are used for the simultaneous determination of egg water soluble B vitamins in cosmetic products. Analytical method based on liquid chromatography with ultraviolet detection LC-UV analysis. Analytical method based on LC-UV technique of great utility in quality control due to its simplicity and robustness. With a simple and rapid treatment of the samples. Besides, according to the green analytical chemistry, the method is good that allow it use for the routinary quality control in the cosmetic sector. Next. Okay, and the presentation will be continued by my friend, Nurul.
Okay. 1. Preparation of standard and sample solution. A. In the journal study, the sample of solution of their aqueous solution containing analysis at 500 UK/ml were prepared. A. Solution containing vitamin B1, B3, B5, and B6. Other solution containing vitamin B2, B7, and B9. And 4 drop of sodium hydroxide. 12(2) is the solution of this analysis. And a third solution containing only vitamin B12 that was prepared
partly due to its instability in the presence of others. B. The three solutions are stable for at least on month 4 degrees Celsius. Then each of the stock solution was taken to get freshly prepared intermediates containing egg analysis. C. Working calibration solution were freshly prepared by proper dilution with deionized water. D. Sample solution then were prepared by weakening 0.1 of water soluble sample or 0.1 at 0.2 of fat soluble solution sample into volumetric flash. E. Dilute of the line with deionized water. Solution where filled through 0 22 nylon filter to remove possible non-salt compounds. G. L simples and standard solution were kept in reduced leaks to prevent degradation of the analysis. Finally, both standard and sample solution were placed in the amber injection fields for LC-UV analysis. Next. Two, chromatographic analysis. A. 12 micrometer of aqueous standard sample were injected into the chromatographic system. B. The column temperature were maintained at room temperature. C. The elution was performed at 1 ml mean flow rate. D. Finally, after the gradient elution program was optimized, WaveLex program was set to monitor the signal of each analysis at its maximum absorption wavelength in order to guarantee the maximum selectivity. Next.
Okay, for the next is method of testing vitamin C. Next. Journal title, Development and Validation of the Different Post-Calorography Method of Determination and Total Vitamin C and Dehydroascorbic acid content input. Validation of the developed calorographic method for the determination of total vitamin C content using dithioteritol indicate its usefulness in the analysis of food samples that do not contain isoscopic acid. Isoscopic acid does not occur naturally in food. Palographic method, differential pulse palographic, suitable for routine analysis owing to lower cost, shorter time, and simplicity of the analysis. Use palographic techniques that were used to analyze ascorbic acid content in various types of food. To determine the total content of vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid salt deoxidase prior to polarographic measurement. It takes 7 to 10 minutes. Such a procedure is applied to determine vitamin C in orange juice, preserved fruits, pharmaceuticals, dehydrate potatoes with juice and milk. Differential post-pallography. This method is equivalent to high-performance liquid chromatography with field array detection in terms of analytical parameter, allowing easier and faster determination of vitamin C. GPP method is highly consistent with those achieved by means of reference chromatography. Okay, next. Chromatographic method. It's used high performance liquid chromatography and diode array detection. High performance liquid chromatography must prepare analytical approach used for vitamin C analysis. It guarantees higher selectivity than titration and is characterized by high sensitivity that greatly depend on the selection of appropriate detector. High performance liquid chromatography with spectrophotometric detection method is used to analyze the total content of vitamin C and L-ascorbic acid. Okay, for the next we continue by my friend.
Methods of testing vitamin D. Okay, next slide. Journal title: Simple and sensitive methods to detect vitamin D receptor expression in various disease models using stool sample. Okay, vitamin D receptor executes the main biological function of its ligand, vitamin D. Vitamin D or VDR plays critical roles in regulating host immunity, maintaining barrier function, and shaping gut microbiome. Reduction of reduction of intestinal VDR has been reported in various dis- in various diseases in inflammatory diseases and color cancer. But due to challengers to get bio to get bio biopsies to test pathologic change in VDR. In intestine, this study focus until analyzing methods, which is the quantitative PCR or qPCR. Okay, next slide.
Quantitative PCR or qPCR method used to detect reduction of intestinal VDR using fecal samples. This method starts from the collection of fecal and colon tissue sample which will undergo immunohistochemistry or IHC is a laboratory method that use antibodies to check for certain antigens in a sample of tissue. Secondly is extraction of RNA from both fecal and colon tissue sample. Lastly is to undergo qPCR analysis, where RNA reverse transcription was performed. Based on the test journal study qPCR method to test VDR using fecal samples could detect the reduction of VDR at the mRNA level. Next. Method of testing vitamin A. Journal title, chromatographic method for estimation of vitamin A from dried blood spot sample. Vitamin A is an important lipid-based antioxidant. Plays a role in neurological function and inhibition of platelet aggregation. Oxidative stress in lipid component of cell lead to significant disturbance of cell homeostasis. Such stress has been identified as contributory factor in pathogenesis of various chronic diseases. Selective bioanalytical PLC method used for estimation of vitamin A from red blood spot or TBS sample. It is a potential technique which can be used for population-based epidemiological studies. This method represents a simple, rapid, specific, accurate, and precise method for estimation of vitamin A in human blood using DBS technique. Next.
Selective bioanalytical RP-HPLC method used for estimation of vitamin E from dried blood spot or DBS sample. It is a potential technique which can be used for population-based epidemiological studies. This method represents a simple, rapid, specific, accurate, and precise method for estimation of vitamin E in human blood using DBS technique. Start from extracting vitamin E from dry blood sample or DBS by using liquid extraction technique with methanol as reconstituting solvent for the residue. Secondly, preparation of standard stock solution or vitamin E transfer to color volumetric bags. Spike blood sample and DBS sample and the elution from DBS sample were prepared by adding vitamin E stock solution. Elution from DBS sample or blood spot was cut and placed in a centrifuge tube. In here, sodium sulfate and ethanol was added and the tube was kept at room temperature for 10 minutes. The hexane layer will be transferred to other beaker, followed by evaporation of solvent. The residue was reconstituted with methanol and analyzed using HPLC method. Chromatographic analysis was performed on a Phenolinex column filter through membrane filter and degassed before pumping into HPLC system with following parameter. After trials and phase composition detection was selected after scanning the standard solution of vitamin E. Next. Dried blood spot or DBS, a blood sampling technique where little quantity of blood is put on a filter paper dried and preserved until analyzed. Is very recognized in clinical laboratories for applications such as screening of in-bloom diseases like phenylketonuria in neonates. LCMS or MS method, reported for estimation of vitamin E from dried blood spot. However, the use of this technique itself limits the utility of the method pertaining to the availability of such facility.
And then fluorescent method to determine vitamin K dependent gamma glutamyl carboxylate activity. Material and method, the synthetic fluorescent fluorescence labeled hexapeptide FLEFLK for FETC purity greater more 90% was synthesized by Biomatic. The peptide design was adapted for our aims, containing only one carboxylation set instead of two. Good purification and solubility properties. The lysine residue is required to link the fluorescence marker or FETC to the side chain of the peptide. For the preparation of vitamin K1H2, we reduce vitamin K1 by incubation at 37 Celsius in 200 mm DTT, 500 mm NaCl, and 20 mm trees for 24 hours. The resulting K1H2 was extracted with 100% either diluted up to 1 milligram or milliliter in ethanol and stored at 80 Celsius in argon atmosphere, all chemical used for HPLC grade. Next. Animal. Male Wistar rats, which in 3000 for 3500 gram, were fed a standard diet containing 5 e.g. or G vitamin K1 and water ad libitum. Preparation of microsome. The tissue sample were homogenized in a Kyaggen tissue, laser in 3000 mm sucrose buffer, 10 mm HEPAS, 0.1 mm EDTE, and protease inhibitor cocktail and centrifugate at 1,600 gram for 10 min at 4 Celsius. Protein determination. Protein content of the microsomal fraction was determined by the bis-bisylconinic acid method as described by the manufacturer. Gamma-glutamyl carboxylase EC. The EC was performed in sealed tube at 20 Celsius. A total reaction volume of 0.125 milliliter contained 250 e.g. microsomal protein. CO2 incorporation. The CO2 incorporation by FLEFLK for FETC was measured as published previously. Received base HPLC and MS. For final HPLC measurement, sample were centrifuged at 10,000 gram for 15 min at 4 Celsius. The supernatant was collected and the remaining residue was twisted with a water acetonitrile solution for 1 and pulled with the supernatant. Mass spectrometric confirmation by LC or ESE for MS. Liquid chromatography was carried out on an Agilent 1100 series HPLC apparatus auto sampler G1313A binary gradient pump G1312A Agilent vacuum degasser G1379A using the gradient column and injection volume described above.
Okay, this is the end of our presentation. Thank you for attention and good day.